everyone, welcome to another episode of our channel Low Point, and this is Anisha Babu. Dowry as a social evil in the form of demand of dowry, giving of dowry and taking of dowry still exists in the 21st century. According to Indian National Crime Record Bureau, in 2019, 7,115 dowry death cases were reported across India. This means a bride is killed or forced to commit suicide due to harassment of dowry every 90 minutes. We have a Supreme Court of India's advocate on record, Mrs. Praseena Elizabeth Joseph, to explain dowry prohibitions in India. So let's watch.
Dowry is a decades-old social evil that has become a norm in today's society. From the day a boy is born in the family, he is considered as an asset to the family because he brings wealth. Whereas from the day a girl child is born in the family, she is considered as a liability. This mindset that the girl child is an additional financial burden has actually paved the way for female feticide and biased treatment towards the girl child. The money which could otherwise be used for her quality education and building her career is saved to give in dowry for her marriage. Marriage is sacred, but when it comes to fixing marriages, marriage is viewed as a marketplace where bride price is fixed. If girl is of short height or does not have education or dark skinned, then she has lesser demand in the marriage market, which is compensated by paying extra dowry. Education, which is supposed to be a tool for being socially more aware and ethically more conscious to realize the social evil, is now the excuse to demand heavy dowry. Physical and mental compatibility of the couples, which ought to be the primary factor for fixing marriages, are given least priority. After marriage, when a female complained to her parents regarding harassment by her husband's family for dowry, the girl's parents advised their daughters to adjust, consoling them that things will settle with time and with childbirth. Because parents feel that after marrying off their daughters, they have discharged the responsibilities towards their daughters, and they are afraid of what the society will think if their daughter is separated or divorced and returned to her parents' house. The girl's welfare does not figure anywhere in this entire scheme. Some serious steps need to be taken to change this mindset of the people. That is the need of the hour. What is dowry? It is any property or cash or gold or gift which is given at the time of marriage by bride's family to the bridegroom's family as a consideration of marriage. It is important to note herein that the giving and taking of dowry becomes an offence only when the same is demanded as a condition for marriage. That means if a girl's parents are giving any gift or gold at the time of marriage to their daughter out of their free will without any compulsion or demand from bridegroom's family, then it is not an offence. The first codified legislative enactment relating to dowry prohibition was the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961. Apart from this, there are other legal provisions under Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure and in Evidence Act too to discourage this practice of dowry. The recent enactment, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, also adds an additional layer of protection from dowry harassment. Although the changes in Indian criminal law reflect a serious effort by legislators to put an end to dowry-related crimes, it is still ineffective because dowry is considered as a part and parcel of all marriages, and it has become entwined in the minds of society that without dowry, marriage cannot take place and that it is a necessary social evil with which one has to live with. Our Constitution under Article 14 guarantees right to equality for both men and women. Our legislations have included women equal to men in property succession. As such, a daughter is entitled to her due share in her parents' property as that of a son. Some suggestions to discourage and reduce the incidence of dowry are as follows. Legislature, that is, Parliament and respective state legislatures have passed the law. Now it is the executive, that is, government administration and police need to take strict action on dowry related complaints. Instead of considering a dowry related complaint as a mere family issue, they have to lodge complaint and complete investigation promptly. Further, judiciary in a time-bound manner dispose of dowry-related offences. This will encourage people to complain about cases of dowry and also resist giving and taking of dowry formalities. In education curriculum in schools and colleges compulsorily need to add to the syllabus the need for dowry-free marriages. Quality education to a girl child, building her career and making her financially independent can make women strong enough to take her own decisions. Politicians and celebrities, instead of conducting their children's marriages on a grand scale, should keep it simple so that the general public can appreciate and follow the same when it comes to their family. So, let all of us unite together to make this social evil a history. We will consider the legal provisions relating to dowry prohibition in our next session.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.